Can you picture 7 billion potatoes? That's not a typo. Lay's, the ubiquitous purveyor of crispy potato chips, uses roughly 7 billion potatoes each year to satisfy our global craving for their salty snacks. This staggering number speaks volumes about the sheer scale and complexity of their operation, one that stretches from sun-drenched fields to bustling factories and finally to our eager hands. The journey of a Lay's chip, from humble spud to iconic snack, is a testament to human ingenuity and our endless fascination with transforming raw ingredients into culinary delights. It's a process that most of us take for granted, reaching for a bag of chips without a second thought about the intricate web of agriculture, manufacturing, and distribution that brought them there. Yet, there's a certain allure in peeling back the curtain and examining the intricate steps involved in creating something we so often consume without a second thought. The story of LA's chips is ultimately a story about our relationship with food, about the industrial systems we've built to feed our desires, and about the surprising connections we share with the natural world, even in the form of a highly processed snack food. Why are we so drawn to this simple potato chip? Perhaps it's the satisfying crunch, the burst of saltiness, or the subtle variations in flavor that keep us coming back for more. Whatever the reason, our collective appetite for potato chips has fueled a global industry, and LA's has mastered the art of transforming a basic tuber into a cultural icon. But this simplicity is deceptive. Behind every perfectly golden chip lies a carefully orchestrated process designed to ensure consistency and quality. From the selection of the potatoes themselves to the precise cooking time and temperature, every step plays a crucial role in delivering the familiar flavor and texture we expect. Consider the humble potato, the star of our show. Not all potatoes are created equal when it comes to chip making. Lay's seeks out specific varieties known for their high starch content and low sugar levels, characteristics that translate into a crispier, more flavorful chip. Sourcing the perfect potatoes is just the first hurdle. Lay's faces the constant challenge of maintaining consistency across their vast supply chain. Potatoes, like all crops, are subject to the whims of nature. Variations in weather, soil conditions, and even the time of harvest can impact their size, shape, and sugar content. To combat these natural inconsistencies, Lay's employs a team of agricultural experts who work closely with farmers to ensure the potatoes meet their exacting standards. They provide farmers with specific guidelines for planting, irrigation, and harvesting, all in pursuit of the ideal spud. But the pursuit of consistency extends far beyond the farm. Once the potatoes arrive at the factory, they undergo a rigorous inspection process. Only the finest specimens, free from blemishes and imperfections, are deemed worthy of becoming LA's chips. Section 4, From Field to Factory, the LA's Chip Journey. Now let's step inside the LA's factory, a place where the air hums with the sights, sounds, and smells of chip production. Here, the journey from potato to chip unfolds at a mesmerizing pace. The selected potatoes are first washed and peeled, their skins whisked away to be used as animal feed or fertilizer. Next, they're sliced into thin discs by high-speed blades, each slice destined to become a perfectly formed chip. The potato slices take a quick dip in a bath of hot oil, transforming them from pale discs into crispy golden delights. After their brief but essential swim in oil, the chips are gently tumbled with a precise blend of salt and seasonings, the secret to their addictive flavor. Finally, they're inspected one last time before being whisked away on conveyor belts to be packaged and shipped to their final destination, our eager hands. Section 5, A Symphony of Flavor. While the classic salted LA's chip holds a special place in many hearts, the company's commitment to flavor innovation is undeniable. From tangy barbecue to zesty lime, the variety of LA's flavors seems endless, each one carefully crafted to tantalize our taste buds. The development of a new LA's chip flavor is a surprisingly complex process, involving a team of flavor chemists, food scientists, and market researchers. They experiment with a dizzying array of ingredients, from exotic spices to unexpected fruits, searching for the perfect balance of sweet, salty, savory, and even spicy. Once a new flavor is perfected, it undergoes rigorous taste testing to ensure it meets consumer expectations. Only the most successful contenders earn a coveted spot on store shelves, joining the ranks of beloved LA's classics.